Can the PS4 Pro Last of Us 2 limited edition console match the hype of the game itself? We ordered the PS4 Pro from EB Games and it came in a pretty cool box. You might have seen this box if you ordered from EB Games in Australia or Zing. There are a lot of special edition consoles, but this is one of the few special edition consoles that I'm really pumped about the game as well as the console itself. I don't know which one I'm more excited about. Straight away here, we're off to a good start. The box itself looks pretty good. I like the artwork on it. And as we turn it around, you see the artwork on the back. It's also pretty good. It's all matching very well thematically. Looks great. People who have the older revisions of the PS4 Pro will know that there are times when the console is under load that is actually quite loud. The newer revisions of the PS4 Pro are quieter, and this should be one of the quieter ones. So considering how many hours we're going to be playing The Last of Us 2, it's going to be good that it's not making too much of a racket. What I love about the newer revisions of the PS4 Pro is that they use the figure 8 cable, which you see included here. I really like the use of the figure 8 cable. I just prefer it generally. I do like standardized cables as well, so I'm glad that they did use this standard cable. The rest of the kit that comes in the PS4 Pro is pretty standard stuff. The earphones, the USB charging cable for the control pad, and a HDMI cable as well. Now onto the controller itself. It looks pretty good. I love the subtle colors in it. Nothing over the top. The grayed out buttons, the text on the pad. It's all pretty subtle. Nothing that's too in your face. But I do love the touches that they've put. It's really quite a nice controller. Personally, I'm a bit of a fan of physical media, so when I got the copy of the game itself in the box, it actually made me quite happy. Some people like digital, some people prefer physical. Me preferring physical, I'm happy that there is a physical copy in the box. The only difference between this physical copy and one you'd get at a retail store just has the do not resale label on it, but apart from that, it's pretty much the exact copy you'd get from any retail store. The game itself comes with 2 discs. There is a installation disc and a gameplay disc. The day 1 patch is only 4 gigs, which isn't too bad, so we can get to playing pretty quickly. Now onto the console itself. I mentioned how much I'm a fan of subtlety, and that's what you get through the console itself. Nothing's over the top. It has really nice engraving though. The quality looks pretty good. I can't see anything that's done poorly on this. It's just a really good looking console. It's one that you can keep in the cabinet and it'll look great, and people who know will see it's a limited edition console. They'll see the game, the engravings, they'll know. But otherwise you think it's just a stock one. I really enjoy the look, and the PlayStation logo looks just right on it. It just looks really good. Thanks so much for watching our video, and we hope you really enjoyed the content. We enjoy making it. And of course, please like and subscribe. It'll mean the world to us. Thanks so much.